Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're about to start the daily dash, but I'm waiting for the plumbers to leave, so I'm just going to get this daily dash started right here, dashing in the southwest Las Vegas area. But first we got to read this very weird story. So a Doordash driver was shot in Linwood, Washington. Doordash delivery, jeez, why can't I talk anymore? A Doordash delivery driver was shot in the shoulder on Wednesday morning near a Linwood car wash. Again, I'm always telling you guys, like, it's not that DoorDash is a dangerous job, it's just you're put in some random places and positions and stuff. Anyways, the 36-year-old victim's injuries are not life-threatening, and is able to recount the incident to Linwood Police Department detectives. The driver and his friend were delivering food when they passed a Kibu car wash on 4628 168th Street Southwest. According to the Linwood Police Department, the pair mistakenly thought they recognized two people standing outside, so they stopped. After realizing they did not know the people, they took a U-turn. So, I'm just saying this story is just freaking not adding up. As they were heading past the car wash again, one of the people outside fired a single shot through the windshield of the vehicle, striking the driver in the shoulder. Police are unclear of why the shot was fired. No one at the scene called 911. So the police responded to the Swedish Medical Center's Edmonds campus, where the victim went after the shooting. Police are working on gathering surveillance videos, etc. Talk about a story that just does not add up. What? I just feel like there's some information that they know that we don't know. A little strange. Okay, first, I'm always confused as why are people, like, I get it, maybe if you're like husband and wife and you guys are just doing some DoorDash together or something, but it seems, I don't know, it just seems like a little fishy, you know? It feels like maybe these two people weren't out just doing DoorDash, and maybe this is like gang related or something like that. I don't know. I'm just speculating. But this whole story just does not add up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alright, let me go see if this plumber's done so I can go to the gym. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. I got to, had to log out of DoorDash. There's no way I'm gonna have enough time. I'm shooting a new dating podcast today. I started a new podcast, got a female co-host, so more info on that coming later. But doing that at 4, it's almost 2 already, so I don't really have much time. Gotta go to the gym real quick. But, man, today has been weird. So, when the plumber got to our house today, so we've basically been super low on water pressure lately. So I've had a few plumbers come by. No one's been able to really figure it out. Our house is a little complicated because we have a well, so the water comes straight out of the ground to our house. So a little bit different than usual, so a lot of plumbers can't figure it out. Anyways, this guy comes over and he does some digging in the backyard, digs up some pipes to find out that our next door neighbors had recently connected their piping to ours. So they're literally stealing water off of our fucking plumbing which means I've been paying for part of their water bill, if not all of it, which is weird because they have their own well, but they also have 2 properties back there, and one of the properties was fully hooked up to our house. I'm like, what the hell? Like, we've been getting jacked for water this whole time, and like our water hasn't been working for weeks. Like, it's barely been working. So I was just like, what? That's like a weird way to start the day. Anyways, let's go back to the story. I'm just doing some speculating, but it seems like to me some kind of gang related, like, I don't know, the story just a little funky. They went to turn around to see if these people, if they knew them, and it turned out they didn't know them. And then they drove by again, and then they got shot at? What? What kind of freaking weird-ass story is this? What's going on here? I feel like these guys just told the police, oh yeah, we were just doing some DoorDash. So, I don't know. To me, I'm like, this doesn't make any sense at all. Doesn't make any sense at all. But, anyways, All right, enough speculating on that story. We're gonna do some more fitness tips because we got so much good feedback yesterday. So if you guys don't want to get any fitness tips, this is where the video ends for you. But we are doing a little daily dash where I like to talk about random things that come to my mind, and I like to give out as much advice and tips as possible. Number one, if you guys want to get into working out, I would highly suggest getting a good pre-workout. I know, like, a lot of people say pre-workout isn't good for you, all that. I say bullshit. If you are drinking pre-workout on the way to the gym, your workout is going to be twice as good. And I can't really recommend a brand because I'm kind of like a connoisseur of pre-workout. I just like trying all kinds of stuff. But I would definitely recommend just making sure that it tastes good, because there's nothing worse than getting a pre-workout bottle that does not taste good and then you got to drink it 60 more times. So number one, get a good pre-workout. That's like the number one thing if you guys want to get into working out. Number two, focus on big muscle groups. When I say big muscle groups, I mean like your chest, your back, and your legs. I would consider to be the biggest muscle groups, and maybe your shoulders as well. So when you go to the gym, do exercises. For example, chest would be push-ups or bench press or flies or something. Do big muscle group workouts. Back pull downs where you're pulling the bar down. That's another great one for you. Or pull-ups if you want to do pull-ups. Going to the gym and doing a bunch of cardio on the cardio machines is not the way to go if you want to lose weight. The quickest way to lose weight is to build muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns. I'm telling you right now, if you just go to the gym and you are not trying to get buff, you will not accidentally get buff. It has literally never happened. No one has accidentally gotten buff. That's just a good excuse that, no, I take that back. That's a horrible excuse that people come up with to not work out. Working out and just doing a few, like doing squats, push-ups, it's not COVID, push-ups and pull-ups. Just those three workouts can make huge, if I'm ever at home, that's what I'll do. I just do a set of, what I do is I do 10 pull-ups, 20 push-ups, 20 squats, then I'll do 8 pull-ups, 16 push-ups, 16 squats, and I just go down and down and down until we get to 0, right? So I just eliminate, 20% off of every set, and you just do a whole circuit. That's the best home workout I think that you can possibly do, especially if you do it straight with no breaks or anything. If you want to burn some calories at home, just do that. Pull-ups can be substituted with a lot of different things. Maybe leg lifts or something like that. That's not really a big muscle group, though, to be honest. This pre-workout tastes like garbage, which is why I'm telling you guys to make sure your pre-workout tastes good. Because there's nothing worse than having sour gummy worm. It freaking does not, it just tastes sour. It's not good. Not good at all. It's not a good sour. Anyways, another big tip I would suggest to everyone is trying to do a fasted workout in the morning, like I'm doing right now. I haven't ate yet. If you want to shred weight, do a workout before you have ate something in the morning. It's because you don't have any energy that you've ate recently in the day for your body to pull from, so it's pulling from stored fat to actually give your body energy to do the workout. So I would highly suggest to anyone who wants to lose weight, do fasted workouts in the morning. Number one, that's like number one. It's number two, actually, because getting your protein requirements for the day is number one. If you're, like we talked about yesterday, if you're 150 pounds, you need 150 grams of protein. Anyways, I'm going to wrap up today's video right here because I got a lot of stuff to do. Got to get a quick workout in, and then got lots of other business things that we got going on today. So happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. We got 50% off of our green model shoes if you guys want to go to my footwear company's website, offaxisathletics.com. Today's discount code is OFFAXIS-GREEN, OFFAXIS green, for 50% off the green model shoes. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, sticking around, subscribe if you guys haven't, and make that money. And Don't get into any shootings, please. Anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Happy St. Patrick's Day.